Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see A to Z animals. A for ant, ant. B for bear, bear.
C for cat, cat. D for dog. E for elephant, elephant.
F for fox. G for giraffe.
H for horse.
I for iguana, iguanan. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo.
L for lion. M for monkey.
N for nightingale, nightingale. O for owl. P for panda. Q for quail, quail. R for rabbit. S for snake, snake. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for vulture. W for wolf. X for X-ray fish.
Y for yak. Z for zebra.
Please support the channel and subscribe.